Hello, and welcome to Amazon OpenSearch Service YouTube channel. My name is Aniri Modi, and I'm a solutions architect in the public sector team at Amazon Web Services. In today's video, we will deep dive into the strategic pathway for organizations who want to migrate from traditional keyword-based system to modern vector search capabilities. So let's get started and see how we can achieve this with Amazon OpenSearch Service. We have divided this video into two parts. In the first part, we will focus on reasons to migrate and how OpenSearch AI works. And in the part 2 of the video, we will focus on migration consideration and migration path details. With the boom in large language models, we are seeing a new wave of users using OpenSearch. The boom has fundamentally transformed how organizations are now extracting value from their data. With large language models now powering sophisticated text generation and semantic understanding, traditional search approaches no longer meet user expectation. Amazon OpenSearch Service bridges this gap by providing powerful vector database capabilities that support retrieval augmented generation, which effectively connects your organization knowledge with the power of large language models. With this, you can reduce hallucinations, deliver more contextually relevant results, and create a future ready architecture that evolves with the rapidly advancing AI landscape. We are now witnessing a significant development in search technologies. Traditional lexical search has served us well with capabilities for structured and unstructured text, adjustable ranking algorithms, and faceted navigation. However, with the emergence of vector-based approaches and generative AI, it has truly transformed what's possible. Today's advanced systems leverage semantic search through dense and sparse vectors, creating hybrid approaches that combine the precision of lexical with the understanding of semantic search. We have moved beyond text to embrace multimodal capabilities while generative AI enables truly conversational experiences. Now, this isn't about replacing lexical search, but rather augmenting it. By combining the reliability of traditional methods with the intelligence of vector embeddings and generative models, we can deliver more intuitive search experiences that truly understand users' intent. Now, let's talk about the top 5 reasons to migrate. The rise of AI is transforming how the users interact with information systems. First, the user search patterns have fundamentally shifted from keyword inputs to conversational intent-based queries that traditional search technologies struggle to handle effectively. Organizations are now adapting to natural language queries as users increasingly expect systems to understand questions which are asked in everyday human language rather than specialized search syntax. Then, the modern search landscape demands cross-index and multimodal search capabilities to break down data silos and deliver unified results across different content types and formats. Next, the AI-powered solutions delivered improved relevance by understanding semantic meaning rather than just matching text patterns, which meets the expectations of today's users. Finally, competitive organizations are building advanced search features that includes conversational interfaces, contextual Q&A, and intelligent recommendation. Now, these are some capabilities which traditional search simply cannot provide, which is why migration to AI-powered search isn't optional. It is essential to meet the evolving expectations of users in an increasingly AI-driven world. The rise of search technologies represent a fundamental shift in how systems understand user intent. Traditional lexical search operates through simple keyword matching, which is efficient but limited to exact matches and blind to context. For example, searching car rental would miss documents containing only vehicle hire, despite it being the same concept. Moving on to semantic and hybrid search. It elevates this experience by employing vector embeddings that capture meaning beyond the exact keywords, allowing your systems to understand related concept even when the terminology differs. For example, a query for laptop not turning on might return helpful results about computer power issues. This is based on semantic similarity. Now, the most advanced approach, conversational search with RAG, combines vector capabilities with generative AI to understand queries in context and generate relevant responses. For example, when a user asks, "How do I troubleshoot my device that won't start after the recent update?" the system can now retrieve relevant knowledge and create a customized answer addressing their specific situation. Here, each step brings different trade offs in terms of implementation complexity and user experience quality. Now, talking about the cross collaboration between Gen AI and search. These are just some examples of how both generative AI and search work together. There are multiple use cases of how generative AI is enhanced by search and how search is enhanced by generative AI. However, when we are talking about personalizing the response to user or refining the query that goes into the large language model or providing text multimodal search results through a chatbot response, we see a better together story of generative AI and search. The synergy between both is not just about enhancing our ability to find information, it's about changing how we interact with knowledge. This powerful combination is driving innovation across industries from e commerce to healthcare and will continue to shape our digital experiences in the years to come. OpenSearch AI combines semantic search capabilities with foundational models to provide an enhanced user experience. When a user asks question, the system leverages semantic search to understand the intent and the context behind their queries. Now, this goes beyond simple keyword matching. The search process includes both current search results and conversational history to maintain context and deliver more relevant responses over time. A foundational model then processes this comprehensive information to generate natural, accurate answers that reflect both the immediate query and previous interactions. This integrated approach allows for more intelligent and contextual response that improves as the system learns from the ongoing conversations. We will wrap this video here. We talked about what are some of the reasons to migrate and how OpenSearch AI works. In next video, we will focus on migration consideration and migration path details. We are excited to see how you will leverage Amazon OpenSearch service to transform your search capabilities. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazon OpenSearch service YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.